Magtatrabaho ako sa barko. Ay, obvious ha? Italy.
Mi perdoni, Paolo. Sometimes, to discover the truth, you must go back to the beginning. This journey will tell you what you need to know.
Andito na naman tayo. Eto na naman. Another chance to find love.
Di ba dito ka nagtatrabaho? Alam mo ba kung saan yung cabin na to?
Opo, ma'am. Sakto. Ako po yung nakasin sa cabin nyo. Swerte.
Mayroon ako nakitang 3 senyales daw. Ang unang sign na nakita ko, lagi siyang nakaputi. Ang pangalawa, PIG ang initials niya. Pig? Pig ka? Yun yung initials mo?
Simula bata pa ako.
Isa pang sign na dapat ko makita, ang balat sa puwan. Hi, he like the view.
You like hairy men?
Oh, I like hairy men. They're like gorillas.
Gorilla?
Kuya, wag. Wag, kuya, kuya, wag, kuya. Blowing of the wind, you feel it and then it will pass you, blowing steady. It comes and it goes, and God only knows. You must keep your
In love, walang mahirap, walang mayaman. Lahat tayo, pantay-pantay lang.
Get all that you can. You must befriend the will of the wind. You'll never find another love as sweet as mine. You'll never find another. Wala akong care sa 3 senyales mo. Para sa akin, siyang man for me. Like I'm with me. Please, hindi ako papatawag sa'yo. And like mine, you never find a better feeling than this feeling so divine. Don't you play with me, no, no, don't you play with me. I want somebody who's true and sincere. Don't you play with me, baby, don't you play with me. Better beware, cause if you lose my love, no, I'm not in a frustration. I should understand the love, yeah.
This portion was